Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The US Redbook Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. The US API Weekly Crude Oil Stock at 20:30 GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 9 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate will be released at 5 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 6 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 1:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq hit record highs on Monday, lifted by Alphabet and other mega caps ahead of several earnings reports this week, while investors bet on potential trade deals to blunt economic damage from the Trump administration's global tariffs. Cryptocurrency investment products posted record-breaking inflows last week as they recorded gains for a 14th consecutive week. Global crypto exchange-traded products recorded $4.4 billion of inflows for the trading week that ended Friday, CoinShares reported. Oil prices settled slightly lower as the latest European sanctions on Russian oil were expected to have minimal impact on supplies, but losses were curbed by investors weighing a potential drop in diesel supplies.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.